Yo, what is up, dog G homies? It's your boy Skinny Fat here, coming at you with a little video about the time when I was 15 years old and my dad caught me swearing. He ended up flooding my PS4. Hope you guys enjoy! Wait! Did you do the shouting and do the brushing of the teeth?
Yeah, I just did. You can go check. The toothbrush and the towel are both wet.
Okay, go play your games. Yo, this game is shit. Bro, play the game. My teammates are ass. I'm surrounded by straight diarrhea water. Oh, fucking godlike, bro. Yo, I'm about to poop my trousers. I'll be back. Woo, woo. We're back, boys. Why the hell is my controller working? Yo, what the fuck? What is this? Who the fuck did this? What? What the fuck do I do now? Skinny Fat? We're going to Costco. Come upstairs. Oh, I'm coming upstairs. I'm coming upstairs right now. Dad, why the hell did you flood my PS4?
Because of all the baklava was coming out of your mouth, huh? All the garbage that's coming out of your mouth. I never heard this. When did you learn this language, huh? No cousin India, no one talk like that, huh? So I give you a lesson. I put water on your PS4.
Are you insane? You could have lectured me. You could have beaten me with a stick. You could have taken away my cereal. But instead you go waste 400 bucks? And why is the goddamn shower on?
Your bird, Chickalulu, he's in there.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा
You drowned my bird? Have you gone ape shit? You fucking around me, wanted me? If you guys just enjoyed the masterpiece which was just displayed in front of your eyes, then don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Peace!